The stock market went up again. Oh my god, the Federal Reserve is gonna cut interest rates. Everything is gonna go up. Oh my god, what should I do? Okay, relax. Okay, it's not that deep. People are overreacting like always. You should calm down for a second and just think. First of all, yeah, interest rates possibly being cut could help the stock market in a short term, but overall, you shouldn't be that concerned about the short-term volatility in general. I made a video about why I think September is gonna be quite bad, like a little or a big crash, I don't know, I can't know. But at the end of the day, I also said it doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong, because I'm always positioned so I can act on either side. If the stock market goes up, I have positions in a lot of good companies. That means I have a lot of profits that I will make and some that I will also take out. If it goes down, that's just an opportunity to buy more shares. It's that simple. I don't know why people always overreact. Maybe it's the media, maybe it's YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. They all want to make a billion videos, talk about everything. Just calm down. It's not that important. If you are a long-term investor, if you're a trader, of course, yeah, then you should be interested, but we don't do that. We only swing trade if so. And other than that, like I said, what does it mean for us? What are we gonna do now? Nothing. You're gonna do nothing. You're gonna relax. You have your thoughts. If you see any company where you think, oh, that could be a good buying opportunity right now, then you buy it. If not, then you relax. It's that simple. Nvidia is gonna report next week. What are we gonna do? Interest rate, everything's going up. What's gonna happen? Who knows what's gonna happen? But it doesn't matter because you're gonna react accordingly. You're always a step ahead in the sense of you know what you're gonna do if a certain occasion will happen. That's what's important. It's not important to be a step ahead before a certain event happens because you can't predict the event. It's just pure gambling at the end of the day. Yeah, there's certain metrics like I showed in my last video, the Dow theory, but it's not guaranteed. So you wouldn't put all eggs in one basket. You would always have multiple plans depending on if your theory is right or not. What I think with Nvidia, maybe also talk about that. I think the Nvidia numbers are going to be good, but I don't think it's going to have a massive impact on the market like people think so. Maybe it is going to jump up, but not double digit or something crazy, because at the moment I feel like everyone is already expecting Nvidia to do good, especially also with them being able to sell more to China. I know the US is taking 15%, which is unconstitutional, but about that we have to see in the future once Trump is gone, if anything's gonna happen or not, if they're gonna sue the government in retrospective. But like I said, it doesn't matter that much. I think Nvidia is gonna report good numbers, people are gonna be happy, stock market keeps going up, and then in September we're gonna see a smaller crash, and for me a big opportunity because I think overall the year is gonna be quite positive. So September down, put some money in, November calm, October calm, November and December then good, year's over. Let's see how 2026 is gonna look like. That's my overall thought, but my game plan, like always, if it happens, like I said, I will use September to buy as much as possible, to be honest. And if not, if it just keeps going up, then I'm just gonna be calm and hold more cash. I think also because a lot of people are excited, I see some nervousness, but overall I think the sentiment and the greed is still there, so that's why I'm a bit cautious right now. Anyway, just a quick update about yesterday, Friday's Fed meeting and everything, the speech. Like I said, stay calm and let's get into a yapping session. Yeah, I don't know what to yap about like always, so I'm just gonna talk. I changed my video style, just having gaming content from now on, so I don't have to edit that much and I can actually upload more videos. I'm also not recording on my perfect mic, as you can see this on iPhone, so that was my mouth by the way. I was also annoyed about that, cutting the audio and stuff. I sped up the audio if you can tell. Yeah, other than that, Beşiktaş didn't win, okay, in football. We drew 1-1. We have one more game. I actually dreamt today that Beşiktaş got kicked out of the Conference League, which is crazy, okay? Because our market value is way higher than any of those village clubs. Okay, I'm not trying to put them down, but that's the sad truth. And we can't even win, man. So disappointing. It's Saturday, so it's 10 a.m. in Germany. Okay, so Premier League 10. Am I restart them in 12? So it's not 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Oh my god. Anyway, Premier League is gonna start. I think I'm only gonna watch City with Tottenham. I think City is easily gonna win, but you never know. Tottenham, yeah, they didn't win the Super Cup and also didn't start perfect in the league. Oh well, they did 3-0, I think. Richarlison, yeah, they did. Overall, they're playing good football, so I'm just excited and I don't care that much who wins. Just a nice game. Okay. Other than that, I don't want to steal your time. Have a nice Saturday, man. Go out, play video games, do something. Don't stress out. Markets are closed. Shouldn't think about anything. Think about yourself and your family and your loved ones. And take care. Bye.